Every person has creativity inside of them waiting to be unlocked. And for a long time now, crafting has been a great way to express that creativity. More recently, crafting has made a leap from indie to mainstream. There's so much you can do to unleash your creativity and so many avenues to show off your crafting skills. And the leading retailer of heat press machines, HeatPressNation, has just released their newest product, and it's designed specifically for the crafter. This is the HPN CraftPro. With the HPN CraftPro, professionally heat transferring has been optimized for crafting. Creating your own brand or customizing items that fit your own unique style has never been easier. Time, temperature, and pressure. That's all it takes to properly apply the transfer material, and the HPN CraftPro brings that directly into your home. Up until now, the easiest way to apply heat and pressure easily in your home has been with the home iron, but the results can be inconsistent, and the temperature and pressure from their home iron isn't precise. Well, the HPN CraftPro has changed all of that. It applies time, temperature, pressure easily, precisely, and consistently. And its compact build makes it the perfect fit in any home area or workspace. Its sleek, compact design has strength in all the right places. There's so much the CraftPro can handle. Parents will love how easy it is to customize kids' clothing and school bags. If you are a coach of a sports team, the HPN CraftPro can handle those jersey orders for your team. And if you're a business owner who needs to restock your Etsy store, the HPN CraftPro is designed for your home use, but built to handle the volume of a booming craft business. Novelty party t-shirts, band tees, aprons, table runners, tote bags, banners, there's no limit to what you can do. Everyone has creativity inside of them waiting to be unlocked. Let the HPN CraftPro help bring out that creative in you.